Hey guys, it's John, the Dyslexic Geek here. The next Lego Harry Potter set has been revealed, although not officially by Lego, but it has been leaked by Mexican certified Lego store, and it is the much rumoured Diagon Alley Weasley's Wizard Wheezes, which is quite hard to say. This set looks really cool. 834 pieces, no price confirmation yet. But it's expected to cost £80, $90 or €90. And I think this looks really good, guys. Really love this set. Now, obviously, it's not anywhere near as detailed as the huge, great big Diagon Alley set. But then for the budget, for the price, I think what you're getting in this set looks really nice. Looks quite substantial inside. Again, nowhere near as much as a huge, great big Diagon Alley set, but still does look nice and wide. It looks like you can, nice and just get lots of play features. Love it. It comes with this owl post office, which looks really great. I think it can be separated, so you can have it either right next door to it or attached by the looks of it. And the Weasley shop looks really good. I think it's obviously going to be a lot of sticker elements here, I guess, but at this price point, it's quite amazing what Lego have done with this, how they've achieved all this in such a small piece count. But yeah, I mean, look at it here with the owl post office separate. It looks really nice. I don't believe had this particular building before, so it's quite a nice, interesting thing to see. Looks like we do get 7 minifigures in this set, which is really good. Looks like we get Ron, Ginny, Fred, George, Lavinda Brown, Romilda Vane, and an owl post worker, which I think is a really good selection. I think it just looks. I'm so pleased with it. I know it's been rumoured for a little while, but actually seeing it now in official images, I'm super excited for this. A close look at the minifigures; they look fantastic. Fred and George in particular, I love the detailing on their shirt and tie and jacket. They look really good. I love all the sweet boxes. Really great looking set. The puking pastels, really good effect. Yeah, I think that what they're going to have done with this is really good. I'm so pleased to see it. I think it's fantastic what they've done with it. Nice size. I think it's really good. If this price is indeed accurate, I think this is going to be quite a fantastic set. It's interesting to note that there's no Harry Potter in this set, which is bizarre. I'm not quite sure why, but I suppose he's got so many Harry Potters. I suppose it's not maybe not required. But yeah, no release date on this, but it looks like it's going to be coming in June. So I'm guessing 1st of June would be my guess, like most sets. So yeah, really good to see this finally sort of unofficially revealed. And I really look forward to getting my hands on this. It looks like really good fun. I don't yet have the huge Diagon Alley set yet. So for those on a budget, it's a good. I think it's a good compromise really between over the top details and not sort of thing. Really good. So yeah. So let me know in the comments what you think of this set. Are you looking forward to picking this up? Are you going to be, is it interesting you? I'm going to please ask you to leave a like, and if you enjoyed today's video, I'll be very grateful if you consider subscribing today. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks very much for watching.